Welcome back to another episode of Cowboy Cooking with B. Mac and Gary. Finally, I got Gary in front of the camera instead of behind it. And today, we are going to do, I call it a dump cake. Some people call it cobbler. This is going to be an easy recipe because I want you guys to get your Dutch ovens and use them. So this is going to be easy. And we'll tell you what else you can do with it while we go along.
What'd you do here?
So far, I've got tinfoil in the back, in the bottom of this. You can put parchment paper. We like to do that. It's easier to clean up. You don't have to, but it's easier for us. And just to let you know, we're using an old one, PNB Manufacturing. I don't know where that's from, but it's an 11-inch. So guys, we've got an 11-inch going today. Not a 10, not a 12, but 11, a little odd number. So this is my dad's. We're still live with you at Uncle Jimmy's kitchen in the back of his house. So that's what we're doing. And so let's get started making this dump cake. First, we need to get their air tights. I just grabbed a can of cherry pie filling. You can use what, pineapple?
I've used blueberries, my favorite.
Blueberry's your favorite? Well, maybe I should grab some blueberry, but you can do it all, mix it up. Do what you guys like. But this is what we're going to do because I'm just going to show an easy one. Throw it in the bottom. And I'm going to grab me a spoon right quick.
What's next?
Why don't you, we need the, next is easy. We're going to get a white cake mix. You can use yellow if you want to, but just get the plain cake mix. This is going to be a white cake mix. And Gary, if you don't mind cutting that and just throw it over the top of these once I spread them out.
How gentle do I need to be?
Oh, just gentle enough. Is that more accurate for you?
Yeah.
Gentle enough?
Yeah. The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. Spread it out as evenly as you can.
Well, that's the fun part.
Oh, and I'm going to run. I don't have the butter with me. I'm going to run and get the butter right quick. So I'll be right back while Gary's doing that. Oh, what? There he does. I'm back with the butter. But before we do the butter, I like to do a little brown sugar. It's not called for, but it gives a little extra sweetener. So if you got it, use it. If you don't have it, don't use it. Do what you guys like. And while we're waiting on Gary to spread that, oh, this is going to be good. Again, I'd like to remind you, this YouTube channel is Cowboy Cooking with B. Mac and Gary. You guys subscribe to it and tell us how you like it. And make some comments or go to our Facebook page, same name. And go in there and show us your dump cakes, show us your cobblers, please. And we'd love to talk to you. So please make comments in the comments section below, because I love to. And so far I've answered every comment, everybody that's commented. I've answered them. So I have time. So I'll be happy to answer them. Now we're going to do some butter. I love butter. This is just a stick of butter. You can add more if you like. And while I'm doing this, Gary, I'm going to put the lid on. Do you mind getting me some coals ready?
I can do that.
And again, this is an 11. It's a shallow pan, so Gary's going to put very little coals on the bottom. And we're going to do very little coals on the top, too, because as you can see, this cake is almost to the top. It's a little more than halfway up. So we're not going to put too much coals. You know, and if it takes a little longer to cook, fine, that's okay. That way we're making sure that we're not going to burn to the bottom. So, guys, I want to be honest with you. That's it. We're done with this. Now all we have to do is put it on the fire. And now, if you're using regular charcoals, I'd recommend maybe 3 on the bottom, not much, 4 of your regular charcoal briquettes. And on the top, you know, I would double it. But then do it the way you want to. You guys will figure it out. Believe me, this is not rocket surgery. You guys can do this. So here we go. We'll put it on.
Don't be afraid to lift your lid and check. If you're getting too burnt on the bottom, or you think it's cooking too fast, move it away, take some coals away, put it back. It's easy to do.
Put that back. Get the other one.
So he's going to finish putting coals on the top, and then when we come back, we're going to show you the dump cake. Stay tuned.
Okay, guys, I think our dump cake is ready. It's been, what, 25 minutes?
Something like that.
25 minutes, Gary, if you don't mind getting it out. We already took the coals off of the top. We want to see how it looks. All right. Moment of truth. Oh. Oh yeah, Gary, where's the homemade bluebell vanilla ice cream?
That's what we need. This is what it's supposed to look like, folks.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes when we cook, it don't always turn out this good. Sometimes it's dark, sometimes it's not. But I think we did it okay this time. And here, let me show you in case y'all can't see it with the camera good. I'm gonna try to tilt it over for you. One cherry dump cake. Guys, try it yourself. You saw how easy it was. There's no excuses. Get your 10-inch Dutch oven or go find your vintage 11-inch. But do this. No excuses. All right, so we're going to end it. Gary?
See you by the campfire.
You guys, y'all keep the party going. You guys take care.